In recent times, the quest for effective weight loss has spurred the emergence of novel methods and innovative approaches. As our understanding of human physiology, nutrition, and technology advances, so does the diversity of strategies aimed at shedding excess pounds and achieving a healthier lifestyle. This dynamic landscape introduces a range of exciting and groundbreaking techniques that not only challenge conventional wisdom, but also provide new avenues for individuals seeking to transform their bodies and well-being. Here are some new methods and approaches for weight loss that have emerged recently. Circadian fasting. This approach involves fasting during a specific time period of the day, aligned with your body's circadian rhythm. Typically, this means having your last meal early in the evening and skipping breakfast. This can help regulate insulin levels and promote fat burning. Cyclical ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is known to induce a state of ketosis, where the body uses fat as its primary energy source. The cyclical approach alternates periods of ketogenic dieting with periods of increased carbohydrate intake, aiming to optimize fat loss while minimizing metabolic adaptation. I recommend the Exipure supplement because it has already helped thousands of women achieve great results. Women have experienced faster weight loss with this natural product. It's worth trying, as Exipure offers a 180-day guarantee. You'll be able to lose weight because it's a new formula developed by scientists for both men and women dealing with excess weight. To assist you, I've placed the link in the description. When considering a weight loss product, it's important to understand how it can potentially aid your health journey. Some products are formulated based on scientific research and natural ingredients, although there's no magic solution for weight loss. These products can complement a healthy lifestyle effectively. The link in the description is there to help you learn more about Exipure. Exipure is formulated with ingredients that can boost metabolism, control appetite, increase energy, and provide essential nutrients to support your weight loss plan. Moreover, this product can deliver noticeable results, even if modest, encouraging your motivation and focus while contributing to an overall sense of well-being due to the presence of antioxidants and beneficial nutrients. However, it's worth remembering that each individual's body is different, so it's advisable to test it. Suspension training and calisthenics. Suspension training using tools like TRX and bodyweight calisthenics exercises have gained popularity. These methods focus on developing functional strength, flexibility, and coordination while burning calories. Continuous glucose monitoring. Some individuals are using continuous glucose monitoring devices, originally designed for diabetics, to understand how foods affect their blood sugar levels. This can help make more informed food choices and optimize fat loss. Gut microbiome and weight loss. Research into the gut microbiome, the bacteria in our intestines, has shown that the health of this bacterial community is linked to metabolism and body weight. Some approaches aim to optimize the microbiome through fiber-rich foods and probiotics. Advanced health and wellness apps. Apps and digital platforms are being developed with more advanced features, including AI and machine learning, to personalize weight loss plans based on individual data, dietary preferences, and goals. Virtual reality therapy for mindful eating. Virtual reality is being used to help people practice mindful eating. This can involve virtual reality exercises that simulate eating situations to develop a more conscious relationship with food.